the hardest thing ever.
Yeah.
So that's why we have Candace. No. It is a difficult problem. And it is, people often, have an appointment that ends up in a therapy session, basically, a lot. And, having dealt with so many cancer patients for so many years, and they have by far the worst possible situations. I listen, I try to be empathetic and understanding as possible, but I know it's going to get better because you didn't have a mastectomy. So I know that's basically the worst possible situation for me to deal with. And I dealt with that all the time, doing oncology reconstruction. It is, from a mental perspective, like you said, and you've told me this, it's a mindfuck. It's very hard from an image perspective right off the bat.
But here's the weird thing, and I mean this wholeheartedly. If you had paid me $100 million, I still would not put those implants back in. Like, that's the mindfuck of it, is that I was like, you get these implants away from me. I don't want them. And when they were out and you go from a double D to a C and it's weird, I still don't want them back in. So the feeling is very like, it's like you can't grab the feeling because you don't know what the feeling is. Does that make sense?
It's like, you're not, the balance is gone, right? So you had this for a long period of time. It was part of you.
It's like a narrative and an identity.
And then when you take it away, it's not balanced anymore. And you have to balance out, the system, if you will. And obviously that's a little bit deeper, and it's hard for people to get to that point. And people get extremely frustrated, extremely sad sometimes, very emotional in the office. And that's why it's great to have someone like Michael who's very supportive, because we can only do so much in a very short appointment time. But afterwards, that's where he can be supportive of you, just like other significant others and spouses are supportive of their, situation.
And he was, and
Let's talk about how great I am for the next 10 minutes.
what you did do that really helped is you looked at me and you said, you made the 100% right decision. And now that I'm like to the other side, I'm like, yes, I feel so much better. But I think that it is important to have a supportive partner.